If you're suffering through knee pain, a lot of the times it has something to do with a couple of reasons. One being you're gaining weight, you're too heavy. Second being your muscle strength is down, there's some sort of an imbalance going on. Maybe your glute strength is off, maybe there's something going on with your patella, i.e. knee. In this video, I've coached a client on a program that has enabled her to lose 23 pounds up to today. And on top of that, all knee pain gone, and she's doing resistance training and sticking to it. Join me in watching this video and understanding and knowing her journey. Coach Adam. How long have you had and suffered with knee pain in your life in terms of years?
Probably maybe like 3 years. It wasn't something that I had for a long time. It just had started maybe 3 years ago.
What caused or led to the knee pain?
I just noticed, I think it's the weight, because when I started increasing, when my weight went up, that's when I started noticing walking upstairs, or even like if I went on a hike or something, I noticed my knees would hurt. I started getting that joint pain, I guess. And I figured probably it was the weight increase.
Okay.
The age, maybe.
How much weight have you lost up to today?
23 pounds.
23 pounds. Okay. Do you also think that the exercises you do, like the bridges, clams, the single leg squats, do you also think that has helped with you not feeling the knee pain anymore?
Yeah, because when I was doing the squats before, or the lunges, I was using my knee, and now with working on the lunges the way you showed me, I'm using my back muscles, the glutes, and so that's strengthened it so I don't put all the weight on my knees like I probably was before.
Okay.
So it's shown me how to use different parts of the leg, and it's increased the muscle strength.
What was the main purpose for you to start working out?
To lose weight, to get healthier. My main priority was to get healthy enough to get off the blood pressure medication, to be more independent in my older years. I wanted to be strong enough so that I could take care of myself, so I don't end up sickly, depending on others. I didn't want to end up in a nursing home. I wanted to maintain good health without medication. I wanted to be healthy in my older years. I don't want to end up in a nursing home for something that I could do something about right now. I could do what I can right now to lose weight, to prevent a heart attack, stroke, anything that's in my power right now. I'd rather do it now than regret it later.
How much weight have you lost total up till today?
23.
Is your knee pain completely gone so far?
Yeah.
Do you feel like with losing 23 pounds and your knee pain completely gone and your strength going up, do you feel like that you are meeting that purpose of not ending up in a old age home or dependent on someone?
I think so. I think I'm getting there. I've lost the weight that's gonna put me at a higher risk of heart attack and diabetes, or something like that, that's gonna put me at the higher risk. I'm doing something about it. I'm improving my health. I can get up off the floor now without struggling. Before, I used to stay on the floor for a minute, sometimes wondering how am I gonna get up, or I think, should I go down? If I had to pick something up, I'd have to think about it. Do I really want to go down there and struggle to get up? Now I don't have that problem.
You said you lost an extra 5 pounds over the last 3 weeks, was it?
Yes.
What led you from going to an 18-pound weight loss to the 23rd pound weight loss in the last 3 weeks?
I saw it the most when you told me about the protein, the amount that I need. So I increased that, and it helped me.
Is that something that was so unusual?
To me, I thought it was. I thought I was taking in more food. So I thought, isn't this going to be a challenge to lose the weight? And it didn't. It wasn't. It helped. I was amazed when I saw the scale go down. I was in shock. I didn't expect it. Let's pause for a second. Tell me what resonated with you in this video. Tell me which exercise you've tried and it caused knee pain for you. Because what I want to do is make more content out there for ladies like you who want to lose weight, who want to address their knee pain, and who want to bring their confidence, their mobilities, their strength and fitness back. By the way, I want you to subscribe and drop a comment and let me know if there's another thing you want me to cover, fitness or mindset wise. And let's grow this channel so I can help more people. Let's continue. Do you think as a woman you had a default or a weird or uneducated perspective about protein? Probably. in a way, yeah. Because I didn't see myself working out with weights. I thought, do I need that much protein? I didn't see myself working with large scale weights or something, but I know after what you taught me, I need it because of what I'm losing every year. So it helped.
How do you feel about moving forward to get stronger, lose another 10 pounds because you've still got some weight to go, and become better at managing your health so you can stay out of an old age home and dependent, and more so increase the quality of your life where you no longer have to fear using your body?
I'm ready for it.
Is the fear of using your body completely gone or just a percentage?
I'm not afraid. I know I can do it. I've seen that I can do it. I may not be able to do everything, but I know I can get there from what I've been able to accomplish so far. I think I could do it. I'm pretty sure. I'm not afraid of trying, That's the biggest thing I think for me, is that I'm not afraid of trying.
What other areas of your life, besides not being afraid of using your body and besides having that faith now that you will take care of your own body and your health and not end up in a nursing home, what other areas of your life have you seen your confidence from losing weight, fixing your knee, working out, staying consistent? Has this confidence shifted to or moved to?
I think probably just seeing the weight loss, I feel more comfortable with what I put on. I'm not trying to hide my body as much. I feel more comfortable in wearing, say a pair of shorts or something, where before I'd have to wear a shirt that was bigger, looser, to hide myself more, where now I don't look for that so much. I just feel more comfortable. I don't feel like I have to hide. So I feel more confident in that sense.
Any questions for the coach?
How did I do with the workouts? Anything that you see needs improving?
Yes.
With the exercises?
I think you're ready for the lunges with the 3 or 5 pounders.
Okay. Were the push-ups okay?
They were better, but you're still not going all the way down to the floor.
Oh, should I be touching the floor with my face, or what is it that I should
Just another inch lower.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll work on that.
When do you think you'll be ready to do push-ups the regular way?
Maybe once I get over this cold and I feel more comfortable, maybe on the next, I could start trying it, because when I was doing less, I did try doing the 5, and I was able to I just wasn't able to go all the way, but I stopped. So maybe once I get over the cold and I start using the weights, maybe that'll help too.
Okay.
I would like to do that.
You will. It'll just come with time.
Yeah.
There's a strategy that I have to coach you on it, and it's not important right now where you are. It will be important a month from now.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
So hopefully you learned a lot and you got a lot of value from how it's possible to lose a ton of weight, fix your knee pain or any sort of pain in your body, and get your fitness and confidence back. I want you to go down to my website in the link in the description, click on that link, click on how to book a strategy session on my website, fill out the coaching application if you want guidance and coaching with your weight loss and your knee pain or any type of pain that's holding you back. Number 2, if you want to drop a comment and DM me or get in touch with me and schedule a call just to chat about what your challenges are, I want to invite you to do that, and you can do that by dropping a comment in the comment section or trying to get hold of me through a DM. Until next video, Coach Adam, stay strong, stay confident.